Hi friends, I'm Kitty, and welcome back to Kitty Cat Kids for Christ. Today I'm joined again with my friend Saint Valentine. Hi guys! Today we're going to do a special activity. We're going to make a heart out of magnetic tiles. You will need 4 square tiles and 6 triangle tiles. You will start with your 4 square tiles. You're going to lay them out on your table so they make a diamond shape. Next, you will use 3 of your triangle tiles on one side of the heart and then use your other 3 triangle tiles on the other side of the heart. And there you go! A quick, easy way to make a magnetic tile heart. You guys did such a fantastic job! You really did! Next, I'd like to show you something that I love. Me too! Let's go! Look friends, there's a new heart. Do you know what that heart is made of? It's made of rosary beads. Do you know what the rosary is? The rosary is a series of prayers using beads to reflect on Christ's life. On the cross, we pray the Apostles' Creed. Next, we pray an Our Father, followed by 3 Hail Marys and a Glory Be. There are 5 decades in the Rosary. Each decade starts with an Our Father, followed by 10 Hail Marys, and ends with a Glory Be. You pray the Hail Marys on these beads, and the Our Father and Glory Be prayers on these beads. Finally, you pray the Hail Holy Queen prayer as you finish your rosary. There is a lot more you can learn about the rosary, but today we're just going to keep it to this introduction. I've included the prayers at the end of the video if you're interested. I'm so glad I could introduce you to the Rosary today. We'll learn more another time. Now, time for our daily Bible verse. Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 7. The Lord set his heart on you. Thanks for joining us today, friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. May God bless you and have a great day.